Let us all celebrate a birthday today. Do you love celebrating birthdays? I love celebrating birthdays. Now, during your birthdays, how do you share your cakes with your friends? Now, while sharing, we learn a very important mathematical concept about fraction in real life. To understand this better, in this lesson, we will learn how to compare fractions with same denominator and same numerator. Before that, let's recall what is a numerator and what is a denominator. Now look behind me. What do you see? Yes, it is a fraction. Now, the number above the line is called a numerator and the number below the line is called a denominator. Wow, what's that again? There are two fractions. Now, look carefully. What is common between these two fractions? Yes? Yes, you are right. The denominators are same. Now, let's compare these two fractions with our birthday cake, shall we? Wow, what's that? There are two yummy cakes. Now, let's show these two fractions using our cake. Now, look at the cakes carefully. How many parts are the cakes divided into? Wow, you're right. Both the cakes are divided into 4 parts. Now, this 4 will be our denominator. Denominator shows the total part of an object. Here, our object is the cake. Kids, look at the cakes. What's happening to them? Yes, some slices are moving. Now, how many slices are moving in the first cake? Yes, 3 slices are moving. Now, this 3 will be our numerator. Shall we look at the second cake? How many slices are moving? Great, you got it right. 2 slices are moving. So, this 2 will be our numerator. Look at both the cakes carefully. Which one has more moving slices? Great! The first cake has more moving slices. So, what does it prove? Yes, it proves that 3/4 is greater than 2/4. Now, the point to remember here is that when the fractions have same denominator, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater. Okay kids, now let's compare a pair of fractions. So from these two fractions, which one is greater? Great job! The fraction 2/3 is greater than 1/3. Now let's look at another one. Which one is greater? Bingo! 5/7 is greater than 3/7. Hello kids, are you enjoying? Now we are done with our first concept. Now in our next segment we will look at another concept which will be more exciting. Hello children, welcome back. Look at these two fractions. What is common between them? Are they like the fractions we used in our first concept? No, they are different. Now here the numerators are same and the denominators are different. How about comparing these two fractions by using two loaves of bread? For that, let's give these two breads to Doji and Dechen. Let us help them slice their bread. For slicing, what do we have to remember? Yes, we have to slice the bread according to the denominators. First, Doji's loaf of bread will be sliced into 6 equal parts. Dechen's loaf of bread will be sliced into 8 equal parts. Next, let's give them their share of bread. Here, both Doji and Dechen will get same slices of bread. That is 3. Now, do you think they will get same size of bread? To check out, let's line up both the breads like this. Who will get bigger size of bread? Yes, Doji will get bigger size of bread compared to Dechen. So, from these two fractions, 3/6 is the greater fraction. Now, we have to remember that when the numerators are same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is the greater. Let's look at some examples. Look at both the fractions. Here, both the fractions have same numerator. Which one is greater? You're absolutely right. 3/5 is greater. Do you want to look at another example? Look at the fractions carefully again. Which one do you think is the greater? 5/8? No. 5/6 is the greater fraction. Thank you for watching this lesson. I have given some questions in the link provided with the video. So relax and answer these questions. Kadın Çela and happy learning!